Okay guys, so basically after registering your account, you're going to land somewhere here guys. After registering your account, so as you can see, as I told you, the name of the website is guardian.com guys. It's guardian.com. So after registering an account, you will be somewhere here guys. So how are you going to make money with this website? So basically on this website you're going to complete surveys, but there's a lot for you to do guys here so that you can earn money. There are a lot of things for you to do guys. As you can see, the number one survey that we have is 11 minutes, and then they're offering you 11 rand 67 rand. And the other one, they're offering you 21 rand 29 rand, that's 30 rand for 30 minutes guys. For 30 minutes you get 30 rand, that's a lot. And then this one is 9 rand 55 cent, and then for 38 minutes. So guys, there are a lot. You can just click, see all our surveys. There are a lot of surveys over there guys, so you can just click there and check out the other surveys that I have. After loading this one, I think they're gonna show all the surveys that I have. So guys, here are the surveys that I was talking about. Here are the surveys guys that are here. You can just complete everything guys here. As you can see, this one is 42 rand guys. Wow, this one is 52 rand. This is a mind-blowing guys. This is a mind-blowing. This one is 3 rand. This one is 4 rand, 1 rand, 7 rand guys. There are a lot of surveys for you to complete. Make sure guys, please, before you start doing surveys guys, make sure you complete your profile. Make sure you set up your profile, just because on surveys, when you complete surveys, they're using the information on your profile. And then, so if you didn't set up that one, you're going to have a problem, just because you will have surveys but you won't be able to get the surveys that are onto you. You won't get the surveys that are onto you. What I'm trying to say is that, let's take you create a profile with lies. They're gonna give you surveys according to the lies that you use on the profile guys. So make sure you use the real information on your profile, so that they can give you good surveys that are suitable for you, so that you can complete guys. This is a lot of money guys. I think this one is close to 300 rand guys a day, if you're going to sit down and complete. Just because some they offering 58 rand, 40 something rand, 30 rand, you can make almost 300 rand per day guys on this platform. So that's what I love about it. So another thing guys, for referrals, you're going to make more money, just because they're gonna give you 20 rand guys just for referring one person guys. One person, you're gonna just get 20 rand just for referring one person. So let's take, you're going to refer like 10 people a day guys. 10 people a day, how much is that guys? That's a lot of money guys. In South Africa. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to grab a link. As you can see, increase your kitty, refer your friends, and earn 20 rand for each registration plus part of their commission. You currently have no gold children. So guys, you can see, you can just grab the link, just click invite, and then you'll be good to go. Click invite and copy the link and share it to your friends, Facebook, WhatsApp, and then promote your link, and then you get this 20 rand each and every time when someone registers an account. So guys, as you can see, the website is traded by a lot of companies. As you can see on Trustpilot, the reviews on Trustpilot is very high, so we can be rest assured knowing that this platform is real and legit guys. You don't need to worry, just because I have used the website, and I'm still using the website, as you can see guys, for yourself. So I decided to share this so you guys can start making money with this platform, just because it's simple. You don't need to invest anything guys, just try it out for yourself and you'll see the results. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Support CMK Money. I'll see you on the next video. Boom.